Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. If you've been following the tech space lately, you probably feel like you're just drowning in a sea of generic AI tools, right? Every single day there's a new update, a flashy new feature, some brand new way to generate a slightly more realistic image or draft a slightly more polite email. It is relentless, and honestly, it's getting a little exhausting. But today, we're going to do something different. We are going to look strictly past all that current shiny hype. We're going to completely cut through the noise to find out where the real wealth, the deep foundational value in this technology is actually being built right now.
$1 trillion. We are staring down the barrel of the next major macroeconomic shift. But here's the catch, the classic bait and switch. The systems that are actually going to capture this massive wealth, they aren't the generic AI chatbots or those neat little writing assistants currently flooding your newsfeed. Not at all. Those are just toys, barely scratching the surface. The real trillion-dollar shift is happening entirely behind the scenes, deep within the industrial backends and invisible networks that actually keep our modern world running.
Section 1. The Magic AI Distraction. Let's look past the hype. So right now, society as a whole is incredibly distracted by the sheer magic of AI. And hey, it makes sense. It's entirely human nature to be mesmerized by a machine that talks back to us in natural language, or one that can just paint a masterpiece in 10 seconds. We're highly entertained by its superficial abilities, but really, that's just AI as a toy. The hard truth is, the world doesn't need another generic chatbot. What it actually needs is invisible infrastructure. We desperately need robust, unseen systems capable of handling massive, complex frameworks. Think about the logistics networks that move global freight, or the compliance engines that keep financial markets stable. That is the infrastructure of the future.
Section 2. Enter vertical AI integration. Time for the gritty reality.
So what exactly is vertical AI integration? Well, it means taking deep, expert knowledge of a specific, notoriously boring industry and building workflows that solve its invisible problems. Think about specialized legal compliance, or, local irrigation systems. I know, it sounds incredibly dry compared to a robot that can write a sonnet. But just imagine an AI that understands the exact, highly nuanced chemical composition of local soil, and then autonomously adjusts industrial water flow to save a commercial farm millions of gallons a year. Or picture an AI that has ingested literally a century of obscure maritime law, allowing it to instantly process international shipping disputes. Tapping into that incredibly deep, highly specific expertise to streamline core operations, that is exactly where the massive, untapped potential lies. Section 3. 3 crucial AI workflows. Let's talk about what we actually need. Okay, let's dive into this. To practically apply vertical AI in the real world, we really need to focus on 3 distinct pillars: micro-efficiency, the translation of logic, and personalized education at scale. Instead of asking AI to just, generate content out of thin air, these specialized workflows ask AI to fundamentally operate existing systems and bridge critical gaps in our daily infrastructure. Let's break these down one by one to see how they actually function out there in the wild. First up is micro-efficiency. And we're talking about tools that don't just write things, but meticulously manage complex, multi-step operations. Imagine a standard commercial insurance claim. Currently, passing that claim from the initial filing over to the damage assessment team, then down to actuarial review, and finally to payout approval, that requires 10 different human hands. And every single handoff creates friction, delay, and just sheer cost. Micro-efficiency workflows step in to seamlessly orchestrate those invisible, granular steps. They verify the data, route the approvals, and basically complete the entire process in seconds, without ever dropping the ball. Our second vital workflow is the translation of logic. This is all about using AI to bridge a very specific, critical gap, connecting abstract, high-level data directly to actual boots-on-the-ground execution. Think of it as the translation of theoretical supply chain numbers from a digital spreadsheet into the actual physical robotic movements required to route a heavy package on a factory floor. When a massive demand spike registers in the cloud, this AI translates that data into immediate physical action on the ground. It literally turns math into physical momentum.
And our third crucial workflow is personalized education at scale. Now, this moves far, far beyond simply posting static educational videos online or, throwing together some generic digital quizzes. We are talking about deploying AI tutors that adapt in real time to the individual. Say a student in Tokyo and a student in Buenos Aires are both struggling with the exact same advanced calculus concept. The AI instantly contextualizes the word problems to fit their specific cultural and linguistic nuances. It speaks their slang, it uses local currency in the examples, and it totally adapts to their unique learning pace. It's highly specialized teaching, delivered uniquely to the individual, everywhere, all at once.
Section 4. Hiding in the boring stuff. This is where the real value is hidden.
I absolutely love this quote from our source material because it really hits the nail on the head. The biggest opportunity is hidden in the boring stuff. Right now, it seems like every new founder is clamoring to build the next big social media, AI, or the next viral consumer app, mostly because it's flashy and highly visible. But the real wealth? That's going to be built by those who completely stop looking at AI as a consumer toy. The true winners are the ones building systems that make the world's most complicated networks run silently in the background. If your AI workflow is entirely invisible to the average consumer scrolling on their phone, but it completely revolutionizes a multi-billion-dollar industry's backend, well, you haven't just built a neat tool, you've literally struck gold.
Section 5. The trillion-dollar shift. Let's look at the macroeconomic impact.
We need a fundamental paradigm shift in how we approach this entire wave of technology. The new mantra we all need to adopt is super simple. Don't just use AI to create, use AI to solve. That is where the next trillion-dollar shift is actually happening right now. Generating a synthetic image or a blog post? Sure, it's a neat trick, but it isn't moving the global needle. The real value is not in content generation, it's in complex resolution. It is in diving deep into the unglamorous, highly technical workflows of the world, the supply chains, the legal frameworks, the medical record verifications, and permanently streamlining them.
So as we confidently move out of this era of AI as a magic trick and enter the era of AI as invisible infrastructure, I want you to ask yourself, what boring problem will you solve? Where in your specific industry are 10 human hands currently doing a tedious multi-step task that a highly specialized AI could just silently manage? Stop looking for the flashy consumer applications. Find the boring, find the complex, and you might just find your very own piece of the trillion-dollar shift. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this helped reframe exactly where the future of this foundational technology is heading. Catch you next time.